welcome on top of the night show for Wazobia TV, channel 195, on top your Star Times decoder. My name is Nanedu, and I'm going to be the pilot of this night. This is my cap. People are saying, this cap is too small. My head is too small for this cap. My head too big for this cap. Yeah? But anyway, welcome on top of the night show for today. For today night show, it go sweet. Die! You know, I know say Catherine don't dey away for 2 weeks now. Catherine don't run come out for 2 weeks now. She don't go a quiet bomb. I don't know what they do there. The story why I hear say one guy now don't they follow her now pay pem pam. I don't have where. But that thing now, it don't make me. I don't go bring new girl now. Where me this weekend. We'll kill ourselves. Hashtag kill ourselves today for the night show. But anyway, I get to Ogbonge guests when we go follow discussion today. On top of the things when we get to discuss, I get a senator, a comedian of the Federal Republic of this country, and then I get one beautiful girl. Oh, tomato juice. Hello, this is the kind of girl you call duplex. This girl, I been know I'm Tete. It's about my girlfriend. But because I'm not tall, the girl not going to follow me. And when 1 year, I call her 3 times, Nancy. But how many times I call you? Look at me. Physically, I might not be tall, but I know where I am tall. But the girl didn't listen to me. But who knows now? Our quality shall come, and the ministry has changed. This weekend, where I come? Oh, no. Because you want follow us for Twitter, it's not too hard. At W Night Show, follow us for Twitter. Talk to us and let us know what in there your mind about the topic. You know, we are discussion today. And as I tell you, I has inside here with me, inside the studio here now. You know, 2 Ogbonge people. By my left here now, he's a young man. He's a married man. You know, a married man, a young somebody that is making people laugh as a comedian. How is you? Senator.
Oh, the show don't start.
How are you?
I did, my brother. How fun, how they?
Where you go?
Eh?
Where your mind is?
My mind? It depends on where.
Oh, now. It will not. Nancy, come and sit down here. Stand up. Stand up.
I fit to sit down there if you want to.
Stand up. Come and sit down here. Hey, sit down here with me.
Make us.
I will finger your destiny now.
No. I just. So that we'll go there closer.
Hey, welcome to the show. How now?
We do.
You're welcome.
We do. I don't see all your balls.
No, my balls. So, okay, my.
Oh, no.
Now, I know say you get, just take 2. Keep 2 for yourself.
It's normal. 2 is normal.
Are you okay? You're comfortable?
Anyway, they're fine.
Are you sure? Or you want to go back there?
We can go back.
I am going to go back. Hey! Tomato! Hello, I'm not confused. Anyway, wanna help me welcome Nancy. Nancy na model she be, she dey act, she dey work for office. What do you know they do?
Nothing. I do everything.
You are sure if I check now you go to say pure water.
Possible.
I check now you figure company where they do coffee. In case people die, they go very
So she don't do anything.
As if he says she didn't do anything. How is you? When I see her now, Katim, you can't do anything. You can't do more than a dead rat. You think you can go and leave me for 2 weeks? So look at it now. Final version. Kiss me, small. Kiss me, small.
Bluetooth.
No! Mba. Kiss me. Normal kiss. Good kiss.
My
brother,
my balls are falling. My balls on the ground.
Your balls fall after the kiss.
My balls fall after the kiss. Welcome to the show today. Hey, now the first thing when I would like me to talk about today. Back to what you talk. You just go through your phone. You call it your boyfriend phone. You can't see one picture of one girl. Just off shoulder.
You can't stumble.
I can't fall on top. No, but sincerely, for me on this case, I dey always talk with my friends. Say I know they like to snoop. It's not in my blood to snoop. You understand? I dey like give
But it's in your blood to stumble.
I feel stumble.
But it is your blood to
And the
stumble.
phone feel open, but if the phone no open when I fall, I go leave the phone like that. But if I fall, the phone open text message, I go dey read. You understand? So if that girl no say he wants, I don't know. It depends on my man. If my man no say he don't tire for me, you know, in gas, you know, come up for why day. No problem. He just talk to me. But I know they like to snoop. As far as saying a boyfriend and girlfriend, but once I marry, you know, once you not make that vow, say for better or for worse, say we go begin to open up to each other. I not supposed to get password. He not supposed to get password. Our two supposed to they stumble across each other's phone. On top of the phone, we don't even need to fall. The phone will just open on you. Correct technology.
No, wait. Correct technology. Now you don't marry him. Una two don't they have. In phone get password. Why you need password to in phone? As in phone don't get password. What thing will make you want go inside the phone?
Waiting the phone to get password for.
Security purpose now.
Not being made to get one phone with his wife.
No, the problem now be say you see say Kim Kardashian they share things to people.
They break internet.
If you don't break internet, break the guy phone. If you don't break your phone, so don't put password. Don't break my phone. Kim Kardashian. So it just depends. So you need to protect.
So if your husband if you don't marry now, when you marry now, you mean say your husband not feel lock in phone.
Well, we need to talk about that one, but if in a lucky phone, it means say, no trust me, and there's no trust in a marriage. So it means say one thing or the other. We need to see a marriage counselor because Yawa don't date.
The reason why I block him, they say you don't have trust in your stumbling ability because you say you know if you just open it, except you stumble.
I'm married to him now. I'm allowed to stumble. I don't even need to stumble. He just even give me the phone and say, okay, see my message, see my email, you understand?
Wait,
but
so every time we come back from work now, honey, I am back, see my phone.
Remember that girl Nkechi? She sent me another
text message. Hey, honey. But you get one guy who I know. Oh, I know what call his name. You go to say me now, you're in the case your father. I know. You get one guy who I know, Even DJ Easy Beat. I know what this guy they do now. Easy Beat. This guy.
No, I not sure say Easy Beat fit rich man of my friend what they call Shakara. No, not be the one where they work for.
Shakara they work for a year.
Hey, they work for a year.
Shakara they work for a year. So what did they try talk now? Say Shakara they
No, Shakara no de miale. Shakara is just it's a victim of circumstance.
Which circumstance? Which circumstance? Because no, I tell you something. Esther went there for here now. Esther they senator come say, Shakara never see this girl.
It's a victim of circumstance.
So, if you say Shakara never see this girl, why you say Shakara never see the girl?
No, you know, Shakara, they like all these people where they for war-torn area. Somalia, all those areas, Syria. They are helpless.
Oh. So you not feel happy, say?
Yeah, so now anything we just come in, we could just say, oh, God, now this one come. Okay. Let us.
See, we enter city to go ask people what did they think about this matter. Password for phone or no password for phone. Make we buy small chicken egg bread for here what they go talk on top of the matter. When they come back, still on top of the night show. Bring your phone, make we check your phone. Bring your phone.
Why not? I go share am because I not get anything with at the height.
No, I no share am.
I go agree. If na phone password, I fit share am. Facebook password, I cannot. I no fit share am at all.
I'm not sure I go fit do that kind of thing. No.
Yes, I go agree now. Not my partner I be now, not my husband. No secrets now. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
No.
Yes, I fit.
I believe everybody gets a right to their own privacy. You understand? And so if I go get spouse, so she guys understand that. So I believe a matter of understanding.
No, I not go agree.
The reason be say it depend the kind of love where two of na get. If the person the person where you love too much, you can share your password to him.
Now people won't get something when they hide or when they won't hide. Now they no go fit share their password with their girl.
I get some things inside and I no like me she see my own private stuff inside my phone. So I would know like me she say am.
Sometimes I dey get some kind of personal things within inside why I no go like make she know about them. You understand? Me, I be guy man. You understand the level now, so that's what's up.
He never marry me now. How do we say he don't marry me now? I feel sure I'm with him because we are now one.
At least I have more privacy.
And listen, no matter what, everybody gets a right to their personal, to their secrecy and to their privacy also. So my baby guys understand that. Even if I don't get anything to hide. Yeah, so that's for that.
Why?
Facebook password is for my own. It's my own personal stuff, so I no fit share am with am. Then phone, no, I fit share am with am because my phone is his phone, my property na him property.
I go believe say we suppose don't know each other's secrets before we accept each other. That is the reason why dating, first of all, dey important. So during that period, she go tell you her past, present, future plans. So as she dey tell you, self go dey tell her your.
No, don't watch that video now. No, don't see what people use their 2 mouths to take a talk on top of the matter. No, don't see them now. So, make I ask you, Nancy, woman, your phone get password?
Well, yes.
Why you get password?
You didn't hear the well first before you say yes.
No, not because of anything, but because, apart from boyfriends, there are so many other people.
Boyfriends!
No,
hey!
no, apart from boyfriend.
Hey! Wait, one mother.
No, you cannot put words in my mouth. I said boyfriend.
Let me say these 5 balls when they do get.
I didn't say F.
Let me say this my 5 balls not go do. My 5 balls not go do. 2 not go there enough for you. 2 balls will not be enough for you.
No, but wait. Apart from my boyfriend go fit snoop,
Okay.
there are other people that can snoop.
Like who?
Friends fit snoop.
Snoop Dogg.
Okay.
Yes, so everybody can be a Snoop Dogg. We all have it in us, not be just my friends. Me too, I feel Snoop. So you putting password on your phone is not only to protect your information from, you're not even supposed to protect your information from boyfriend, but it's to protect your information, from friends that might snooze, that might snoop.
Friends are well wishers.
Or even,
Boyfriends. So your phone not get password? You get password?
But no, it get password. No, now you dey talk am one way, 2 way.
You know why I know the surprise? And you know why I know the surprise for this girl? I don't tell her before.
Yeah.
She said I do everything, so.
Concerning that, let me put that clear. I'm a model, an actress, a TV presenter, a red carpet host, and I also script write and produce. So that is what he means by everything. I am just an all-rounder. I'm a businesswoman. Hallelujah.
She's an all-rounder.
Let's move on with the snooping.
She's an all-rounder.
You and these balls. You love balls. Yeah, take this too.
She's an all-rounder.
Put it to get that balls.
A random. They don't round your balls, so.
Ask her whether your phone get password.
Your phone get password.
Yes, talk like you. Well?
No, I got to see this one. Let me see now.
No, why you want to see whether I get password?
Because,
But I not try to see your own now.
My own even they set. I know they bring my phone.
Why I go give her?
Give her your phone.
Oh yeah, let me give you massage.
If I just talk now.
The phone get password now.
No, just get sign.
Oh, he's
What be the sign?
Now pattern the phone get. Anybody when they use pattern my own was pass. If not code, at least like 244, you go know. But your own no pattern.
Now just sign. Like this.
Okay.
So now my money now in the clap they waste.
Why you not just carry small like this?
You understand?
Do like this.
Just do then you put for
Put on face. Why you go for carry?
everything they go. I they look my money for smoke. The thing they go.
I beg, we go outside, go ask people, say, why it be say men they run away from their girlfriends during festive season? Make we hear what it then get to talk. I don't understand. Beg, carry your balls.
Christmas also reach. Everybody could begin to bring demand of money or no money. So people, some guys are not everybody run because the pocket never full, so they must run.
It depends now, personal reasons, you understand? Like me, no matter what as it take be, I no fit break up with her no matter because she understand me and she understand everything. Whether I get or no get, you understand? But me, I don't know about any other people, you understand?
Well, that thing, it be like joke, but it don't dey happen small. And now two things like cause. One, some girls they won't understand. So for the boy, when of he get confidence, confront him, you go just find small wahala, make it happen, make the guy fit take off.
Maybe now because of the person no get money to spend. That is why.
Na lazy boys na they do that one. Na then they break up with their girlfriend during Christmas.
No answer.
Na money matter.
I just believe saying everything they based on understanding. If I deal with my girl and we there and we move now, if I not get it, she got to understand. If I get it, she got to understand. So definitely, I don't find it necessary.
You know, so not be everybody did the same thing now. Those people where they stingy, they will use that opportunity. Say, okay, you do smart, they will, I won't break up. Make them not spend. Now greediness, they worry them now.
Thank you. Welcome back on Top the Let's Show. Well, now here we get to talk on top the matter. But before we go, Jesus.
Brother, I think that one of our boss. So. I want to tell her, say my sister, no ball reach here.
You get my balls collector are not afraid. Ball, one ball is strength. So, and you like fertile ball, I make it they always ask for the green balls.
Green vegetation.
No.
A giver.
This should belong to Senator. This is not mine.
So what you try to say you supposed to belong to Senator? Why?
Because
how this guy tell you even know what you belong to?
how you say no say I like balls? Answer that question. If you feel answer, you don't get your answer. If you know that I'm a ball collector, I should also know that you like snakes.
Assist. The way they take collect this ball, not the way she take collect her own. How did you know I'm a boss collector?
She don't know. She could very well romancer. How did you know I'm a boss collector? So which means you know, say you be boss collector.
What they talk about?
And you are denying it. That is our issue with women.
No. Naim put on for my mouth, so I just dey follow her.
I put the ball for your mouth. Then they put this for this girl mouth.
Hey God, I'm just a victim. I don't put it out for my mouth.
You say they put balls for your mouth.
No, talk about it.
You say you just put it in my mouth.
I buy the both of you. God from the vaccine.
Anyway, Ulanoya, how you take me for this night on Top the Night Show? Nancy, model, business girl. You not get anything with this girl. No, they do. She they act for TV series, and she also get her own TV show which she they presenter. Which she they do red carpet. I don't know what you know they do.
I need to, make the money.
Oh, she the presenter for carpet.
She the presenter for carpet, and she's a boss collector. She didn't even put the boss for pound. According to
but ladies have to work hard so that we can at least buy ourselves Christmas gifts. So that when we abscond on Christmas Day and Valentine's Day, we can make ourselves feel special. It's not
ladies
hard.
will not they work, uncle. So which means the ladies way this and say far from one co.
No. What ladies?
DJ Easy Beat, know them. It always
Maybe Easy Beat talk about
Easy Beat talk about Easy Beat. DJ Easy Beat talk say he got one bra when they just launched last week. He say na $2 million be the bra. How intake know the bra? And why the intake take a personal?
Yes, because today had they shout since.
They shout
2 million for what? For bra.
Why? Why the lady better be wearing only the bra? Why?
Not 2 million naira.
$2 million. So therefore, those guys we do offer Sanusi for what DJ Easy Beats they hail all of una well done. How market? Well done. Double twirling to all of una we they way here was this night on top of the night show. Double twirling now we they give to Nancy, my beautiful baby, love of my life, the ball collector.
Yes.
That is no longer my. That I refuse that. No.
I think so you want to say the ball
Christmas
of your life.
balls.
The ball of the ball of no, you can't be there. And then to Senator, the comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we not get time, Senator, for just give us some kind one or two materials, but time not today. If for just make us all laugh for small woberente. Katim finally they come back on Monday. But Katim, oh, you can go. Me and baby, come close.
No, I'm fine. Yeah, beg. Now don't give me name.
Okay. Now,
just
I will give you my own balls.
Just put them for mouth now. Shebi said they put them for mouth.
Oh my God, Senator, I cannot take you anymore.
No, you said these balls they put them for your mouth.
In case you want to follow us on that Twitter, at W Night Show, and then in case you want to follow Senator,
at Senator Comedian.
And then in case you want to follow Nancy,
I never joined, but I go soon join. Then I go put them on the show.
And then as we dey go so now, DJ Easy Beats go play us music. Bounce Collector.
But may no play bra music.
Not play bra music for us.
You don't
She
complain.
go dance Chucky, baby, stand up for me. Dance Chucky for me, please. DJ, yeah, dance Chucky for me.
I don't think dance Chucky.
Stand up.
Don't be sitting Chucky.
Hey, wait, you kill me. Hey, Senator, dance for me.
Hey. You guys recollect this?
Mommy and daddy, I see the music, the dance. I see the music, the dance. I want to in London, Joe shocking one Joe. I want to in America, Joe shocking one Joe. I want to get Joe shocking one Joe. I know say you like to dance, I know say you like to shake it, I know say you like to move, and I know say you like to work it. Oh yeah, shake. Then you say you sabi, Joe. Then you say you sabi, oh yeah, Joe shocking. Joe shocking. Personally, I rock your body. Personally, I rock your body. Personally, I rock your body. I rock your body. Personally.